Hey guys, welcome to another episode about SQLite. So for today we are going to talk about unions. Unions are a really handy feature in SQL. It allows you to combine results from multiple select statements, but you have to follow certain rules and to fulfill certain conditions. First, you need to have equal numbers of columns from every single select statement you are using with union. Second, all of your columns must be of similar type. When I say similar, that means that you could use numbers as integers or numbers with a decimal point. And if you use textual value, all of values from that very same column must be textual. And third rule, your columns must be in exact the same order. So if you combine textual value, numeric value and textual value, second select statement must follow that very same rule. And now practical example. So we are going to select. Okay, this is going to be our first select statement and we have a one row as a result, but let's say that now I would like to provide union with another select statement where price is going to be less than 5, and you see we have our result. But let me show you another thing. If we ask for item name equals fish and with another statement item name also equals fish, we are going to get only one row as a result. Well, why is that? Because union keyword supports only unique results, and if we use union all keyword, we are going to get duplicates. But this is not all. You could also have more than two select statements within a union group. And you see, we have both fish and honey. And on top of all of that, let me show you another thing. You could also select values from multiple tables. Let's say we are going to select cashier name and cashier ID. Why is that? Because we need two columns and we need first column to be of textual value and second column to be of numerical value. I'm not going to provide any condition, but from cashier, and I'm going to execute this. As you see, we have all of cashier names plus our two rows from our item table. And check this out, you see we have item name and price as column names, but not that cashier name and cashier ID. How to solve that? Column names are taken from a very first select statement in union group. So in order to get different names for our columns, we are going to use aliases. Like this. And as you see, we have column 1, column 2 and results from all of our select statements. So that's all for this episode, guys. If you like this content, please subscribe and see ya!